Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to do a technical overview for you guys on the Drolet Legend III wood stove. This model is EPA approved, Washington State approved, and it's beautiful featured on the legs. They have a nice curvature to them, which is really nice. A lot of the products in the economy price point are just like very simple on the design and styling features, so I really appreciate the attention to details on the aesthetics that Drolet has. So Drolet products are going to be produced in Canada. This model is going to have a clearance of 14.5 inches from the rear of the stove if using a single wall pipe, or an 7.5 inch clearance when using a double wall chimney, and that would be to a combustible wall. This model does offer additional outside air. You can add in an optional blower. It is mobile home approved and UL and ULC listed for Canada. So I'm going to take you guys up close, show you inside the firebox so you can see the nice quality of the product itself. It is going to be a top vent 6-inch flue, and inside the firebox is going to be a full masonry brick, so standard fire brick, which I love because it's super easy to access and get your parts. Up close look at the Drolet Legend III. Here's going to be our ash pan. Easy slide out there. Inside the firebox, standard fire bricks, minus just a few little cuts. There's your ash plug. You do have the air tubes and the baffle system located at the top of the stove. Nice quality gasketing on the firebox door, as you can see here. You do have the ash lip, which comes standard on the stove as well. You can see nice quality detailing on the welds, nice and straight. Flue collar is going to be welded onto the top of the stove. These are your baffle systems that you can see. This deflector that you're seeing, this comes standard with the stove. That's nothing additional. It also creates kind of that convection airspace and then pushes the heat forward. We also have these convection air outlets on the side of the stove as well, which is really going to help push the heat around. Here is the back of the stove. Located here on the right hand side is going to be your outside air inlet. This knockout plate is going to be where you would mount the optional blower if you have it. That's what I have sitting right there. These are going to be your specifications and UL listing, all your safety labels. This is approved for any kind of inspection, homeowners insurance, EPA requirements, wet inspection requirements in Canada. You can see the thickness of the cooktop here. For the price point, really Drolet is an excellent product line. I have been very impressed since I picked up this over about the last 2 years now. Nice detailing on the legs of the stove. The legs are adjustable as well, which is nice if your floor is not quite level. I really hope that you guys found this technical overview helpful. I really do try and show you all aspects of the stove. If you have other topics that you'd like to see me include while I am reviewing these stoves, please feel free to drop them in the comments. I appreciate your guys' continued support. God bless. Have a wonderful day.